Welcome to Environment and Biodiversity lecture series number 6. So here we discussed about ecological succession. So what is an ecological succession? So it is a process by which the mix of species and the habitat in an area changes over time. For example, you look into the picture, there is a three stage. One is pioneer stage and the intermediate stage and the climax community stage. In the pioneer stage, there is a barren rock and slowly lichens will grow off there, and the small annual plants will grow. Then the perennial herbs and grasses. Later, it develop into a grasses, shrubs, shade intolerant trees like in the intermediate stage. And over the period of several years, then the climax community leads to the shade tolerant trees. So gradually, these communities replaces one another until a climax community appears. Like a mature forest is reached or until a disturbance like a fire occurs. So what are the types of ecological successions available? There are three types. One is primary succession, secondary succession, and cyclic succession. So what is a primary succession? It is the succession that starts in lifeless areas, that is, as I said, you in a barren, rocky region, such as the region devoid of soil or the areas where the soil is unable to sustain. That is the thing which originates in a empty land. Then the secondary succession. Secondary succession occurs when the primary ecosystem gets destroyed. Then cyclic succession. This is the change in the structure of an ecosystem on a cyclic basis. Some plants remain dormant for the rest of the year and emerge all at once. This drastically changes the structure of an ecosystem. We take a case study or an example that Acadia National Park. It is about 5,000 acres, and the things have been described in this picture. This national park suffered a huge wildfire. Restoration of the fire was left to nature. In the initial years, only small plants grew on the burned soil. After several years, the forest showed diversity in tree species. The trees before the fire were mostly evergreen, while the trees that grew after the fire were deciduous in nature. So the nature has an ability to withstand or the have an ability to review itself or regenerate itself from time to time. So as I said you, the ecological succession is a replacement of one by another. Like as I said here, the evergreen is being replaced by deciduous. Thank you.